It's Joan Butts. This month, I'd like to focus on responders' second bid. In other words, their rebid. Responder has a very important role to play in the auction. They're often known as the decider, and the opener is called the describer. So when opener has limited their hand with their second bid, the responder often has to make the final decision whether to go to game, what to play in, or whether to stay in a part score. Try out this hand and see how you go. If you're a gold member, there are many lessons on responding and the second bid by responder. So you can play all the hands with robots and go through the video reviews. I'm also starting the next course of Zoom lessons. Have a look and see what's on offer, and if you'd like to join, I'd love to see you. You don't have to be at the lesson because we always send a recording of the hour so that you can go through it in your leisure. Have a good week, everyone. Our hand has 6 beautiful spades and we're the responder. Partners opened 1 diamond. We've got 11 high card points plus 2 extra points for the 5th and 6th spade. These are length points. So we would respond 1 spade, which is forcing. It shows 6 or more points and 4 or more spades, and it may be a very strong hand. Now that opener has limited their opening strength to 1 no trump, which means they have fewer than 15 points because they didn't open a no trump. So they'll be 13, 14 points and they'll have at least 2 spades. They won't have 4 spades because otherwise they would have raised spades. We have a single suited responding hand and it's in the maximum responding range. When we know where we'd like to play, which is spades, and we know how high to go, we should just bid it because the 1 no trump rebid has said, I have limited my hand and it's up to you, partner. So we should bid 4 spades. This will show 6 spades and enough for game. And partner had 3 spades and a very nice diamond suit. And we look to have 3 heart losers, and that's all we can lose. So our plan for 10 tricks will be to count 6 spade winners in the south hand and 1 club winners 7, 2 diamond winners are 9, but we need to develop a 10th trick. They're defending well and they've taken 3 top hearts and switching to clubs. Try the queen in case they've led from the king, but it's unlikely. Still, if you don't try the queen, you don't give yourself a chance. Sure enough, goes queen, king, we win the ace, and now we've got a club loser. At this point, we should try to establish the diamond suit through length by trumping it. When we do that, we need entries to get back to the north hand to trump again. So don't touch trumps for the moment. Play a diamond over to the ace. Now the king. And now trump a diamond. Luckily they weren't 5-1. And we can trump it high. Because if you look carefully, we have all the top trumps. Now draw the trumps by crossing over to north. And we've taken some spades. We could actually play the king of trumps now. The spades have broken 3-1. Play a diamond and trump it, but trump it with the queen, so that now as we take out the last trump, the diamond 5 has been established as a winner and we can discard the losing club. Now we've got 1 spade and we've made 10 tricks. So as far as bidding, the responding hand was a single suitor in the maximum range for responding. Ranges for responding being 6 to 10 or maybe 9. 11, 12 and 13 plus. This hand we evaluated as 4 and 2 are 6 and 1 is 7 and 4 11, and extra length points took it to 13. So we made 620 for 4 spades.